Before we came to the cruise ship, I bought a lot of items for our comfort. The walls of the cabin are metallic. The magnets I brought were most appreciated. My nightlight was not needed. There was a motion-sensitive nightlight in the cabin. A well-prepared first aid kit is essential. Apparently power boards with surge protection are not allowed. I brought one just in case I needed it. The clothes basket for dirty laundry proved essential. It was compact enough to go into a suitcase and was easily unfolded once we got it out.